Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to message someone on WhatsApp without adding them to your contacts. Let's dive in. Usually, to message someone on WhatsApp, you need to add them to your contacts. But what if you don't want to save their numbers? I've got two simple solutions for you. First, let's talk about the Click to Chat app. It's available on the Google Play Store and it lets you send messages on WhatsApp without needing to add the number to your contacts. Then open the app and just enter the number, make sure it includes the country code and hit the open button. The app will automatically open WhatsApp with that number and you can start chatting immediately. No need to save it as a contact. But there's another way to do this and it's super easy. You can also use your browser to message someone on WhatsApp without saving their contact. Just open your browser and type in this URL wa.me/ followed by the phone number including the country code. Here 977 is the country code and the remaining part is the contact number. Then tap on continue to chat. And that's it. No more cluttering your contacts with random numbers. You can message anyone on WhatsApp without adding them first. Pretty neat, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.